So if you're tired of having to roll up your water hose, this is definitely the solution. This is a 100-foot hose. This is a 1/2-inch hose. Of course, this is our inlet here to go ahead and connect it to our faucet. We've got our outlet over here that you can go ahead and connect the sprayer that it does come with. Now this is a 10-position sprayer, so you can easily adjust the spray pattern just by turning that. And we've got a rubber grip handle. It does have all the hardware that you need to with the bolts and the anchors, and then it also comes with some additional washers. This bracket here, of course, we can install this on our house, whether it's in wood, stucco. You can put this easily on a fence, and it also has this little rod right here that we can go ahead and pull out, and that way we can go ahead and easily remove this, and if we want to, just store it for the winter. And with this metal rod at the end, it allows it to swivel 180 degrees. Also, we've got a handle here, so it's easy to go ahead and move around. And then what I like about here in the front, we've got a nice large opening. So as you pull this, you can go ahead and pull it all the way out, stop it where you need to, and just give it a little pull, and it's going to go ahead and retract inside. Just makes my life so much easier. You can kind of see what it looks like on the outside. Just a nice all black case here. Everything's well built. It's really sturdy too. I'm very happy with it. Now I don't have to worry about rolling up my hoses. And I hope you found this review helpful.